this one's gonna be on Surfshark and how to be able to get the best discount code available as of 2020. So if you go to Retail Me Not and then you look for Cyber Week 19, just make sure you it's all capitalized, and then just go in here and sign up. So as you see here under the choose a plan, I enter the Cyber Week code, hit apply, and now I'm gonna get basically 27 months for $1.77. So like that's really like the lowest that you're gonna find anywhere, and it is for like, what is it, 2 years, let me see, 2 years plus 3 months or 4 months, something like that. So but it only comes out to $47.76 for 27 months. So so that's it. Then after that, of course, you would just go ahead and create the account and go ahead and make the payment, so you'll get it for $1.77. So that's it for now. Bye.